In this lesson, we're going to learn how to convert degrees to radians and radians to degrees in a very simple and easy way. So the formula to convert degrees into radians, you can say that radian will equal to pi over 180 times degrees. And if we want to convert degrees to radians, then we'll just do the opposite. Flip it, 180 over pi times radians. Let's convert 30 degrees, 60 degrees, 45 degrees, 90 degrees, 120 degrees, 135 degrees. So to convert 30 degrees to radian, all what I need to do is just pi over 180 times 30 degrees. And now if we reduce this, 30 has 130 in it, and 180 has 6. So this is pi over 6. If I do 60 degrees, so I just do pi over 180 times 60 and reduce. 180 has 3 60s in it. 60 has 1, so pi times 1 is pi over 3. This will be pi over 6. This will be pi over 3. So my 45 degree, I just take pi over 180 times 45. 180 has 4 45s. Has 1, so this is pi over 4. And then my 90 degree will be pi over 180 times 90. 180 has 2 90s in it, so it will be pi over 2. And 120 degrees will be pi over 80 times 120. And we don't have a whole 120 and 180, so but we can share that in a 6. So this has 2 60s in it, and this has 3 60s in it. So this is actually equals to 2 pi over 3, and then at my 135 degrees, this is going to be pi over 180 times 135, and this has 45s in it. So 135 has 3 45s, and 180 has 4. So this is equal to 3 pi over 4. I would know that this is going to be pi over 4. This is going to be pi over 2. This is going to be 2 pi over 3. And this is going to be 3 pi over 4. To change the radians to degree is just take our radian, pi over 3, and multiply it by 180 over pi. Pi cancels with pi, and 180 over 3 is 60 degrees. Let me show you the easiest way that I do it. I usually just replace, since my pi is really equivalent to 180 degrees. I want to convert my pi over 3. I just replace my pi with 180, and I just do 180 over 3. That gives me 60 degrees. And if you follow the same thing with this, so pi over 6 will be just, my pi over 6 will be 180 over 6, and it's going to give me 30 degrees. My pi over 2 would be just 180 over 2, and it's going to give me 90 degrees. My 5 pi over 6 is going to be 5 times 180 over 6. This has 1, this has 30, this is going to be 150 degrees. And you can do it even for big numbers. If you have 10 pi over 6, you could do the same thing. Do 10, 180 over 6, 6 has 1, this has 30, that's 300. And so on. Because when you reduce this, it's going to be 5 pi over 3.